Hello everybody, I am Khashayar Imami and I'm exhilarated to apply for the master's program in engineering for building retrofitting at the University of Genoa. As a civil engineer with a master's in structural engineering from Iran, I'm eager to broaden my knowledge in this field. During my master's, I have researched on alternatives for fresh water and cement as the most used traditional materials in concrete production. I have built good technical and software skills in multiple CAD design tools like Autodesk and CSI Paradox. Besides, I have experience in programming and have a great passion to use these tools and ICT concepts in my future research. I have chosen the University of Genoa for various reasons. I'm impressed by its position as a high-ranked university among the top universities in the world and in Italy. It has a great research output with over 1,000 publications in top tier scientific journals in the past year. It has a large and diverse international community with over 2,000 of international students coming from different countries and cultures. It offers affordable tuition fees and a range of scholarships and financial aid to students from different fields of study. Finally, it provides students with the opportunity for future career and research collaboration. I have chosen this program for several reasons, including the increased demand for sustainable building practices and the opportunity to contribute to efforts to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. Also, there would be a high potential for job growth and career advancement in the building industry, and the opportunity to develop specialized skills in building retrofits such as energy efficiency, renewable energy systems, and building automation. Besides, there would be an exposure to emerging technologies and innovative approaches to building retrofits, and the opportunity to collaborate with professionals from diverse fields such as architecture, construction, and environmental science. There is a potential for research opportunities and academic advancement in the field, and also an improved understanding of building codes, regulations, and safety standards. In summary, I believe that my research experience, technical skills, and dedication to sustainable construction practices make me a strong candidate for the master's program in engineering for building retrofitting at the University of Genoa. I look forward to contributing to the program and being part of your esteemed institute. Finally, I appreciate your taking the time for considering my application, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye.